Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can share location on Google Maps. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So let's just say you're on a restaurant and you just want to go ahead and share your location to your friend. You like the restaurant, come hang out. So in order for you to go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and open your maps, and finally let's just say I was in this restaurant right now, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna tap on the name of the restaurant, and finally once I have done that, this page is going to pop up where the restaurant's details are gonna be there, right? So what I'm going to do is simply swipe left on the place where it says direction called the directory. So I'm simply gonna swipe left. As you can see, the more I swipe, the more options reveal, and the last option is going to be a button that says share. So simply go ahead and tap on share. And now once you have done that, you can either send it to one of your friends via email, or you could do it through messages or Telegram, or even if you go ahead and tap on copy to clipboard, you can simply send it on Instagram. And there is another option which says more. Simply tap on more and it will show you more options like WhatsApp, Drive, chats, Snapchat. So it is as simple as that if you want to go ahead and share a location to your friend or family. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have regarding this. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.